Hi, I'm Patrick Halisa Anna Sylvester. My metric number is BT21503 and this is my business ethics individual assignment presentation. Today I will be talking about workplace discrimination and harassment. I will explain how a new legal system in Malaysia is helping to solve this issue, discuss the main ethical problem involved, and share my personal views on how business should respond. In 2022, Malaysia passed the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act, and in 2024, the country launched a new system called TAGS, which stands for the Tribunal for Anti-Sexual Harassment. TAGS is a special platform that lets victims of workplace harassment report their cases in a simpler and less stressful way, without going to the criminal court system. The first case handled by TAGS happened in July 2024. A woman who was harassed by her employer won her case, and the tribunal ordered the employer to give a public apology. This case was an important step forward for Malaysia, showing that legal tools like TAGS can make a real difference. Even though many companies have anti-harassment policies, the truth is that many victims still don't get justice. The main reasons are HR department that ignore complaints, protection of powerful individuals in the company, victims being too afraid to speak up. In the Malaysian case, the big problem was not just the harassment, it was the delay and the failure by the employer to take action. In the United States, the Owen Dias vs. Tesla case showed the same pattern. Owen, a black employee at Tesla, faced serious racial abuse. Even after he complained many times, Tesla HR didn't act, and he later won one of the biggest racial discrimination lawsuits in the US with an award of $137 million. These examples show that the biggest ethical failure is often poor leadership and no accountability. According to Kant's ethic, all people must be treated with respect, never used or ignored. But in both cases, the victims were not treated fairly or with dignity. I believe that every worker should feel safe and respect at work. It's not just about following the law, it's about doing the right thing. If I were an HR leader, I will create a safe and anonymous way for employees to report problems, give regular training on ethics and respectful behavior, make sure ethical actions are part of how leaders are evaluated, support platforms like TAGS, and be fully transparent in handling cases. TAGS is a great tool, but it only works if business use it responsibly. That means teaching employees about their rights, listening carefully to complaints, and taking action without delay or bias. In the end, I believe that ethical leadership is the key. Companies must lead with value, not just rules, to build safe, fair, and inclusive workplace. Thank you for watching. I hope this presentation gave you some useful insight into workplace ethics and why it matters. Let us play all our part in creating work environments where respect, fairness, and accountability come first.